Alright, good evening to you all. I'm Liberia. I'm here basically this evening to make some clarification when you find diagram like this, how to find solution to it and how to solve it. So if you listen keenly and observe, you get to see how I'm going to answer it and you get an understanding. So please listen keenly once more. Liberia. But mostly people call me super light. So this is the best way to solve it. This is the solution. That is solution. And as everyone of us know, any problem without a solution simply means that is not problem. So to get the answer for this diagram, we got to first start with the solution. So after that, we say clockwise is equal to anti-clockwise. Since it is in the moment diagram, so we say clockwise movement is equal to anti-clockwise movement. The solution says what? Clockwise movement is equal to anti-clockwise movement. So we proceed. So clockwise movement is this from the F, that is from the F to the fulcrum. We determine the clockwise movement. Therefore, anti-clockwise movement, we will start with this 2.4 Newton from here to the fulcrum is 10 centimeter. So we put that and say 4.6 Newton from here to the fulcrum is 50 plus 10, which will give us 60. But let's do it step by step. Let's take this one first, clockwise movement, which is force times this distance. We say F times 40 cm is equal to, then we come to anti-clockwise. We put this value 2.4 Newton times from here to the fulcrum, the distance there is 10 cm plus this 4.6 Newton times from here to the fulcrum. What is the distance there? We got 50 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So when you sum up, you get a final answer of 60 cm times 60 cm. Okay, so next step is force, that is F times 40 cm, which will now give us 40 cm F, which will be equal to 2.4 Newton times 10 centimeter. Which will give us 24 centimeter Newton. Plus we say 4.6 times 60. 4.6 times 60, which will give us 276 centimeter Newton. So what next is we say 40 cm times F is equal to, what is the sum of these two values? So we say 24 plus 276, which will give us so which will sum out 300 cm, that is centimeter, and Newton. Because since there is two units or two different units and they are similar here and here, we choose one. That's why we get cm and letter N. This one represents Newton, this one represents centimeter. So what next is divide both sides by 40 cm. Cancel. Cm cancel. 0 cancel. So since this one ends to cancel, we left with F equal 30 divided by 4. It was 300 first, 300 cm and divided by 40 cm. Cm cancel cm, 0 cancel 0. 30 divided by 4, you get 7.5. Since it is 7.5 and cm cancel cm, we left with Newton, which is N. So this is our answer, since the question was given in the form. So if you see any diagram like this, do not be confused. Always try to use this method. Clockwise movement is equal to anti-clockwise movement. So in so doing, you get to see the short distance, that is here from the F to the fulcrum is 40 cm. So from the fulcrum here is the shorter distance, while here is longer distance. So this F time or 40 cm equal 2.4 times 10 cm plus 4.6 Newton times 50 plus 10, which will give us 60 times 60. So if you arrange it that way, you now come to the final answer of 7.5. So 7.5 is your, let me just see, is our final answer. So I thank you all. This is Super Light.